Solve m squared minus 4m equals 2. Since we have m squared minus 4m by itself on one side of the equation, and since 4 is even, it's pretty quick to complete the square to solve this. We have m squared minus 4m. We take half of negative 4, which is negative 2, and square it, which is 4, and add 4 to both sides of the equation. After we've done this, this becomes, or we can factor it as m minus 2 squared equals 6. Using the principle of zero products then, we have m minus 2 equals the square root of 6, or m minus 2 equals negative square root of 6. In solving for m, we have m equals 2 plus the square root of 6, or m equals 2 minus the square root of 6. Both numbers would check in the original equation, so we can state that the solutions are 2 plus the square root of 6 and 2 minus the square root of 6.